Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning 7-petal infographic in PowerPoint, step by step. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint. First, go to the Insert tab and select the oval shape. Click and drag to draw a perfect circle on the slide. Now hold down the right mouse button and drag the shape to the right to create a duplicate. Make sure the two shapes overlap correctly. Next, select both shapes. Go to the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. You'll see a beautiful petal shape appear. We need 7 petals in total, so go ahead and duplicate this shape 6 more times. Now, arrange the petals in a circular pattern to create a lotus-like formation. Place the center petal at the front and send the rightmost petal to the back. Once you've aligned all the petals nicely, select them all and move them slightly lower on the slide. Let's add some color to make it visually appealing. Right-click on a petal, choose Format Shape, and under the Fill option, select Gradient Fill. I've already applied a gradient color with some transparency, but you can customize it however you like. For this design, I'm using a beautiful purple gradient. Once the color is applied to one petal, go to the Home tab and use the Format Painter to quickly apply the same gradient to the other petals. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. After that, remove the outlines from all the shapes to give it a cleaner look. Now let's change the background. Set the slide background color to black to make the petals stand out. Select all the petals, group them together, and move the group to the lower part of the slide. Next, insert a text box and add your desired title or any other text. Now it's time to animate. Duplicate the current slide. On the duplicated slide, delete the text and rearrange all the petals in a straight horizontal line. Select all the petals and align them to the center and middle of the slide. If any shapes seem out of place, take a moment to adjust them. Then move the grouped petals down outside the visible slide area. Go back to the first slide, select the text boxes, and apply the fade animation. Open the animation pane and set all animations to with previous. Set the duration to 0.75 seconds and the delay to 0.25 seconds. Now stagger the remaining animations by increasing each delay by 0.5 seconds. Once the animation timings are set, go back to the second slide. Select both slides and apply the morph transition for a smooth flow. Then duplicate the second slide once more to continue the visual movement. When you're done, click Preview to watch the entire animation in action. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning 7-petal infographic in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more creative PowerPoint tutorials. See you next time.